What's up, guys? This is Cruz from New Age Wall Street. Welcome back to another video. Before we get too far, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe in our video. If you do get any type of value out of this, I'm going to be 100% just honest right here. This is a little bit out of my norm. If you guys have been following my videos, you guys are a subscriber already. You know that I do kind of dabble just a little bit on the crypto side of things. Usually I do trade just primarily options, small caps, equities, things like that on the New York Stock Exchange and also the NASDAQ. But recently here, the crypto market looks like it's heating up again here, guys. And I kind of stumbled upon, a really good play right here, and it's actually breaking out right now. I want to go over it right away. So we'll go ahead and flip over to that and take a look here real quick. And here it is. This is Binance right here, guys. I'm sure a lot of you crypto maniacs out there already know that with Binance you have to have either a VPN or you can't look at some of the coins and things out there. But I was alerted to the sushi, just kind of shopping around, looking at different types of coins and investments I can look in the crypto space. And this looks pretty freaking awesome just from a technical standpoint. If you guys know me, I am a technical trader. I'm a chart guy. I really like reading the charts, and I'm kind of upset a little bit that down here, whenever this started basing out on this bottom, I didn't get it on this bottom, on this lack of volatility and for this move to the upside. But holistically, the way that this is looking is a huge cup, and here's your handle right here. And the cool thing about this handle is that I don't know how to draw lines on this very well, but the cool thing about this handle is that it came back and revalidated the point of resistance in these points as new support. So you can see where the resistance was right here. This was old support as well. Revalidated that as support right here around the 1025-ish area, and then made this move to the upside. So if you take a look, I did start calling this out like in my chat room. I'll go ahead and put it right here for you guys if you want to take a look. We have a little crypto chat, and I was kind of just messing around with my chat room and showing them what was going on, and so I showed right here. I was like, so someone educate me on sushi. Like I said, I'm not 100% into the crypto space yet. I gotta do some more research. And then I just said sushi to the moon, and you could see at that time, 11:53 yesterday, we were at about $12.20 when I was calling it out. And I was looking at this to get in this trade. So I know I'm a little bit late on this video. I was really busy yesterday, and today it's even late right now. As you can see, all my guys are gone for the day here in the Trade Factory, but I just want to put you guys on this game right here. I want you guys to be able to get in this because I think that there is huge potential for a run on this sushi swap. So 1220 was where we originally called it out here. The breakout point right here at the 1475-ish area, and now it's pushing 1550. We may run into a little bit of resistance here at the 1550 where you can see where all this volume was being done. But holistically, my first price target on this is $20, the whole price of the $20, right? And then the next one is going to be upwards of the all-time high, so $22.50. And then I'm looking at this probably getting towards the end of the year. I would like to see it get upwards of $30 to $50. So $30 to $50 on this off of $12 would be absolutely awesome, especially with the way that the crypto market is heating up again. It looks like we're getting a lot more volume and a lot more interest into the crypto market again. EFTs are heating up, and it looks like there's a whole lot more news on the Sushiswap itself as far as the technology and projects that they have come out, and as far as them being implemented into the Sushiswap as well, so the exchange, right? So I'm a believer in it. I'm actually going to go ahead and diamond hand some of these here that I bought, like I said, at 12.20. And I do want this to get upwards. Like I said, first target point, I'm going to take just a little bit off just to pay for the trade, just in case anything does happen at $20. And the rest of it, I'll keep it over the long term for this to continue going further up, all right? So just a quick video, guys. I just wanted to go over that, just share, a little bit of a technical indication with you guys as far as how I see this sushi swap going. And I'll keep you guys updated with it. If you guys like the crypto videos on my New Age Wall Street channel, let me know. I could do more crypto stuff. I want to get more involved in the crypto stuff, and also, you know, with the traders also in my chat room, right? So please, if you got any value of this, if you're able to make any money off of this, it's not financial advice. You know, do your own due diligence. But if you are able to make any money off of, you know, just this little alert here, let me know. Send me a DM, a message. It's New Age Wall Street on Twitter, and make sure you guys stay money buys. Leave a like for me and tell me what you liked about the video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. All right.